Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am coming to you guys with an unboxing video. As you can tell from the title, it is a Marc Jacobs tote bag, and I'm so excited because their bags are cute, but there's never really been one that I actually wanted other than the leather one, the brown one. I think it's called Argan Oil. Yeah, so where was I? I think it was a ad on Instagram or something. I don't know. Anyway, I saw their new spring collection and they had this bag on there, so I'm super excited and I'm going to show you what I got. So the bag came in this huge box. Let me go ahead and try to cut this open for you. What in the heck? Yeah, I don't even much know how to get this open. Let's try to pull the tape. I need you to. Ooh, I almost cut my leg. I don't know why they put this in this big behind box like that, but I guess I understand. Okay. Alright, so when you get the box kind of like opens up like that. So yeah, let me put this on the ground. I don't have much space. Bruh. This big old box for this little bag. I'm just confused. But anyway, I don't know why my shirt is crooked. That is really bothering me. But so in the box you get your bag. Let me back up. You get your bag and it comes with, I guess, a thank you card. Yep, thank you for shopping at Marc Jacobs. Please visit us again at www blah blah blah. It looks like there was supposed to be something in here, but it's not. And I'm assuming that was like supposed to be the packing slip. Okay, it's in the box. I don't know who decided they just wanted it here, but this is the bag. And I got the bag. Okay, the size is small. So this is a small size next to me. And the style that I got is yellow multi. Back up a little bit more. So this is from their spring collection. It is one of their mesh bags. So I'm scared that if I use this to cut the... It does come in plastic. There's no dust bag that I can see. And this is how it looks. I did pay $2.50 for this from off of their website. I was trying to find it on Nordstrom because I have a Nordstrom card. And Nordstrom didn't have it, but then 2 days later, they had the nerve to put the freaking bag on the website. But anyways, I got it from Marc Jacobs. I ordered it on Monday and I got it on Saturday. So it didn't take long at all for me to get it. Yeah. So this is how the bag looks. And it is yellow with pink, like trim and letters on it. And it is mesh. This is how the back looks. The back has, what does that say? The Marc Jacobs style tote bag, location NYC, year 1984. So that's that. The close up of the bag. This is the strap. It comes with more paper. These dudes. And it does, let me take this out of here. It comes with a, wait, is there another one in the front? Hold on. I'm not playing. Okay. Like I was trying to say, it comes with the orange like pouch in it, and I thought that was just such a cute contrast. But I just want to let y'all know today is Friday, so I waited almost a week to open this bag before, you know, so that I can do this video for y'all. And I do apologize that y'all can't see what I'm doing. I'm like working on limited space right now. So, but I'm gonna show you once, you know. Okay, so the strap is pink, so it matches the trim. And I am going to kind of like take everything loose and then show it to you. I love the fact that the bag stands up on its own. You know, with it being a mesh bag, I was kind of concerned about that. But it does. It stands up on its own. Okay, so here's the strap in the bag. It's definitely pink. I don't think I would ever be using the strap though. So I'm just going to go ahead and tuck that inside. But here is the bag with the strap. Close up. It's pretty. It's not super bright. I was expecting for it to be like a bright yellow, but it's still nice. It's a really nice spring and summer bag. I don't have any colorful bags, so I'm really excited to carry this. Yeah, this is really cute. It's cute. And on the bottom it has, I don't know if that's leather or not, but it has this. It doesn't have any feet or anything, and the trim is the same material along with the letters in the front. Other than these are, well, these are similar, they're just not as thick. And then you have that same material back here. The tag is yellow. I'm not sure if the tag is always yellow, but yeah. Let me pop this off too, because we're not gonna do that. And I think I'm gonna remove this little tag as well, because we're not gonna do that. Not today, honey, not today. But yeah, that was super quick. That's the bag. I saw one other video on YouTube and it was a bigger bag. This is the small size. This is the small size. So this is pretty decent in size. I can't really stand up. I got on shorts, but this is really decent in size for it to be a small. You can fit a small laptop in here. I think my laptop is 15 inches. I can probably fit that in here. I might run and go get it if I have enough time to show you. Oh, it also has this little loop here on the side for, I guess, sunglasses or whatever you want to hook on there. Yeah, I can't wait. This is the bag next to me. She cute. She is cute. Ugh, can't wait. Okay, guys. So the laptop, I was able to fit in here, and the reason why I thought of this is because I did see some other ladies talking about this on their videos, but also I was watching some videos and there was a woman that kept asking if a laptop can fit in here. Like I said, mine is like a 15-inch laptop, I think, and it fits, but not necessarily comfortably or to where it looks cute. But this is how it looks. I have an HP, but this is how it looks in the bag. I mean, you can definitely fit it in here if you need to, you know, go to like Starbucks or something and work on, you know, anything or homework. It fits in the bag. It just stretches it out on the sides, but that's what that's for. Like, that's what this is for. But yeah, now with the weight of my laptop, I honestly wouldn't carry it in this bag because I'm afraid that it will rip the mesh, because it is heavy. It has some weight to it. I also had to take the strap out to be able to fit the laptop in there because the strap was in the way. These little hooks that you hook the strap onto were in the way. But yeah, I mean, most people use like MacBooks that I think are smaller and iPads and all that. But like I said, I don't recommend that you put a lot of heavy things in this bag because Y'all, I just heard the biggest bee. And I'm praying it's not in the house. Because that sounded like it was in the house. Okay, anyways, what was I saying? I don't know what I was saying. But anyways, try not to put anything too heavy in this bag because you don't want it to, you know, either start ripping or drooping or whatever it can do. But it's a nice bag. It's a really nice bag. Really nice. Oh, hold on. Let me take this out. Of course, I saw the pouch. For some reason, I thought, oh, it does zip. So the pouch zips and it has pockets for like your debit card and stuff like that. So that's cool. I didn't even pay any attention to that at all. And the pouch is like a, I don't even know. It's like a sporty type of material. You know how your parents have like the cup cozy things that you put around the can of soda that keeps it the hand from getting cold and getting the condensation from the can on the hand. That's this type of material. I don't know what it's called though. I don't know what it's called, but that's what this is. It got a little bit of cushion to it. And the zipper is white. The zipper on the bag is pink. And the zipper pull is black on the pouch. But yeah, here's the bag. It's beautiful. It is nice. That's all. That's it for my video. Definitely recommend that you go out and get this. I feel like the small is definitely big enough. The medium is more like a work bag if you need to carry like a laptop, paper, things like that. Get that. But for like an everyday bag, I do recommend the mini or the small. Mini is like if you don't need to carry much. The small, you can fit everything in here. Everything. So yeah, I recommend go ahead and get you one. Bye.